Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, upang ang katawan natin ay sumigla. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, upang ang katawan natin ay sumigla. Maaga kang matulog sa umaga, maaga kang kumising, agad mag-jogging jogging, sa plaza magtamping-tamping. Ay mapalit-palit at baywang, ay makit-kiting ang braso mo. Kamay ay ikot-ikot kahapin, mag-exercise.
What's up guys? It's been a while. I haven't vlogged for so long and my neighbor is looking at me. Hi neighbor! So right now I'm here at the garage, or my garage, and it's pretty mess over here. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on. This season is I am not working, so not really not working, but then I have less work, so I have a lot of time to do household stuff. Today I'm going to show you my Lowe's haul. The first thing is first, this past recent months, I've been watching like YouTube videos about woodworking, and I was like, oh, since I have a house already, I think I should know about woodwork, or like at least to be a handyman in your own house. So first thing is first, I'm going to show you this hacksaw by Cobalt. It is a, I don't know, it's just a hacksaw. And the good thing about it is $12, and it has a 3 blades, and the other one is for a branch of a tree, which has a, I don't know if you could see it. The blades are kind of big, so you could cut a branch of a, you know, a tree or something. This one is a metal blade. Alright, so this is $12. This one is a ice cream. I buy this for I'll tell you later what's this for. And I just bought another clamps. You really need to have some good clamps and plenty clamps so you can just hold something on your project, right? It's so expensive, this kind. So I don't know how much I bought. It's a set. It's a 4 mini 1 bar clamp. This is the most important thing that I think I should know. Craig, micro jig. Right now, my jam is to do woodworking, alright? So this is how it works, okay? So I also buy a wood screw, soft plywood wood screw once again. Ooh, this is the sander, how it looks like. And I just bought also a prime sealer for a wood, because I love to paint. I bought a sander disc from this thing, DeWalt sander. It's like 120 abrasive film disc. So this one I bought a numbers from the house, like house numbers. I'll do a project on that. The first project that I think that I will make is the luggage rack and the house number thingy. Angle, ruler, thingy. Utility square, which is I do really have, but it's just that it's stainless, so you could attack this, you know, if the zombie apocalypse will come, so you could use this as a weapon. No, I'm just kidding. This is the biggest purchase of this haul, and yeah, I've been longing to have this. I've been wanting this. I asked Audie. I think this is my gift already. I mean, a Christmas gift, but this is it. This is a miter, so this is how it looks like. I'm going to open it up. I've never used this, but I think I could use this, right? I think I just need a chop saw and, you know, learn from it and how it works, how to make cross cuts, like angle cuts, like just normal cuts in the wood, and you know, right? So this thing is, I don't know this thing. I think this is a clamp holder for this, and I didn't have any working table for this now, but we'll see. Oh, this is for the sawdust collector. So when you chop the saw, when you chop a wood, the sawdust will come here and then feels so high. Oh, well, I think this is just enough for turning. Oh, there's some tools right here. Important part of the box is the styrofoam. Why? Because it protects the product, right? Miter saw. Wow. It is my first miter saw, so actually I don't really know how to use it. In order to learn, you have to have it, alright? How could you make this thing works? Actually, it is my first miter saw and I don't really know what to do, how to do it. But I'm just guessing that this thing is from here. I guess because it fits, right? Alright, so this is the ultimate guide of a beginner on how to use or how to operate the miter saw. So like what I said, it's my first time and it's my first miter saw, by the way. So yeah, I'm kind of like wondering about, and good thing that I could still watch YouTube videos and learn from this. But anyway, so over here is straight from the box. This is the accessories that comes with this one, okay? So this thing knob used to lock the angle of the miter, you know, so you have just to twist. This is for here, okay? And this one is used to change the saw itself. This is the tool, okay? There is a blade wrench, how you call that? Blade wrench, yeah, organizer. So it goes from there, and this guy right here is the sawdust collector. So you could just put over here and then it collects dust, or you could put a shop vac straight from your vacuum thing, okay? This here is a clamp, a clamp that you could use over here, and then that blade, that rod goes on that hole, and it holds your wood or you want to cut off, which usually is wood. This is for wood, okay? So this here is but this knob right here controls the tilt of the saw. Okay, so you just press lightly on your newly cobalt thingy, and then just pull it up so it would release over here, and then ta-da! Okay, so that's how it works. I'm going to try this thing right here, right now, as a first timer. What angle you want to cut, and over here, if you want to activate or switch it on, you have to press this one, and then this thing right here. There's a knob right here. Try to cut a wood, alright? As you can see, it cut like, I'll just switch off this thing because I'm kind of like afraid if I could, you know, cut my hands off. Here you could, oh, it didn't really go through, by the way, because it's still, oh shucks. So that's why you learn from your mistake. Ooh. So right here, oh, it break, but yeah, try look that one, a clean cut. That's what we call a cross cut. Whew. So I think that's it for today, because I'm still learning on this thing, and I'll do more projects soon if I have a lot of time to do it. And like what I always say, thank you for watching. Aloha, mabuhay, bye.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you.